Hi guys, Amy Hunt here, home business expert. In this video, you're going to learn what websites you can use to buy gifts and get them at a really good price. One thing I'm going to give away during this video, and you're going to have to watch the rest of this video, are wireless earbuds. And I'm going to actually reveal to you where I bought them and how to purchase them. And I'm going to actually order more because these are so nice. But in this video, I'm going to show you different websites. If you haven't seen my other websites on cashback, earning cashback, that's a separate video. Check out the end of the video. I'll put a link there. Again, Amy Hunt, home business expert. Let's get started on saving you some money for your gift buying this season. Thanks for watching and see you on the other side. Alright, so I have a list of my top 8 websites that I refer to when I'm trying to buy a gift for somebody or myself, or if I need something online. And these are basically websites that don't show up in my cashback series of websites. These are websites that actually the deals are so good, or they're referring you to different sites to get cashback. But let's get started. Oh, and I know one of the questions you're wondering is, how do I get those free earbuds? It is while supplies last. Before I get started about talking about the deals websites, I want to tell you how you can earn these AirPods. Not win them, but earn them. You have to do a few things. I'm the type of person that if I can earn it, I'm going to do it because I never win anything. So there's 2 ways you can earn these AirPods. One is you watch the entire video, which I'd appreciate. Plus you'll learn the websites that you need to learn. But in the website, you're going to see these AirPod pictures with a number. This number indicates the website that you need to sign up for. So these are the directions that you need to do in order to receive the AirPods. There's going to be 6 websites you must sign up on. You're going to comment under the video the 5 websites I discuss in this video. One is from a video I'll post at the end of this video that you can also see. But if you can't find all the information in the video, this is the other way you can do it, is you look in the description below the video and you use those links in the description to sign up. Once you comment under the video, I'm going to look that you signed up for the 6 websites. Outside of that, I will contact you and I'll get your address and I'll send you the AirPods. Again, it is while supplies last. I'm going to get about 20 AirPods and I'm going to send them out to you, my subscribers, as a little gift. But let's continue on and learn about the different websites to help you save money. So my number 8 on the list is called Deal Sniffer. It is basically, it's sniffing out deals. That's like the idea behind the website that are going on hopefully currently and live. I find that they're a little bit behind and some of the deals when you click on them are gone. So I like the idea. It's not real well set up. It kind of looks like I probably did the website. I might even be able to do better. But how it works is it pulls stuff from the internet, and I have a better website down in the rest of my video that I'll show you that it's a little bit better. But that's my number 8, Deal Sniffer. But this is my number 8. Number 7 on my deal website list is called DealWiki. So DealWiki is this website that I said is better than Deal Sniffer in that it is so much cleaner and so much more up to date. It is current, it's today, it's daily, so it must automate all the deals across the internet. So what it does is it finds deals everywhere on the internet. This is actually one of the places that you need to sign up in order to get the free earbuds. So sign up for DealWiki, look in the description below. And again, you can share it too, but I'm an electronics kind of nerd. The only problem with DealWiki is it doesn't give you a ton of stuff. Now, I'm going to put in our search for AirPods. But basically, the reason why it doesn't give you a ton of stuff is because it's what's out there and it's finding it on the regular websites. So regular websites meaning Amazon, eBay. So let's just go to these AirPods since we're kind of doing that as a theme. You go to buy now and it's going to show you, if it can load here a little bit, it's gonna show you where you can get it, and it's gonna take you right to it. So it's eBay, but it basically points you in the right direction and gathers everything for you in case you're like shopping for someone that wants something in particular. That DealWiki will find it for you. Next on my list is a site called Lettopia. So a lot of these stores are from people contacting me about and me researching about how to drop ship. So some of these are looking like they're set up for drop shipping. So Lettopia is one of those places you can order for yourself or you can drop ship it. And Lettopia is pretty new platform, and that's why it's kind of down my list. And I can see it as time goes on that it gets more and more products in. So it doesn't have a ton of products yet, but the products that it has are so inexpensive. So let's just type in AirPods, or let's do, to be fair, wireless earbuds, because AirPods are probably an Apple only thing. But let's just see what we come up with. So there's what I mean. There's like some. All right, and you can see that you could get these earbuds. Let's just click on them for $2 and something, $2.29, and it's legit. I've been in contact with the actual owner of this website, and he talked to me all about it. So some of them have stipulations on how many you have to buy, but a lot of them don't. So if you're a drop shipper, check it out, Lettopia. But this is another one, just put a star, that you need to sign up for in order to get the wireless earpods. So let's go on to, what number are we on? Number 5. So number 5 on my list is Overstock.com. I'm pretty sure most every one of us is familiar with Overstock. So basically, extra inventory is taken, Overstock claims them and organizes them, and they sell them. So you can get some good deals. It's not the best deals, but if you want like a normal shopping experience in the United States, you can go to actually some of the cashback websites that I talked about in the previous video, and Overstock is listed on some of them, and you can get some cash back on good deals. I've used Overstock. You can belong to the club, and you can get points, and then you can convert those points into product purchases. So if you drop ship, I used to drop ship from Overstock, probably drop ship from pretty much every store that gave a discount. I racked up a ton of points one time, and I bought my kid like $100 and some computer laptop for Christmas for free. Like I didn't have to pay anything because I had all the points from dropshipping. But that's Overstock.com. Next is DHgate, number 4. So I learned about DHgate.com on my phone first. I found an app and I thought it was really cool. I love to browse around it and look at it. It gives you, and I believe it's probably, it looks and appears to be something from China. I'm not 100% sure. But it is like right up my alley. There's a lot to it, and it's a little bit different beast out there, and I really like it. It has a lot of potential. That's why it's in the middle of the pack, and I give it a number 4 rating out of 8. But it gives you a ton of coupons, assuming that you're going to buy, as well as like these new techie items. So let's just look up AirPods, as we are on every site, just to kind of give it some consistency of what you can find. And again, you're going to find similar items to what, knockoffs of what the real stuff is. And you can take them and you can compare them to the other sites. A lot of it is just going to be preference on who do you feel more comfortable dealing with. Now, with DHgate, they have these like on your app, like if you go to your phone app, I'll show you my phone app. I'll stop the recording on the website and I will go to my phone app right now. So as you can see, DHgate is an app on my phone, and I'm going to click on DHgate and it's going to take me here, and you can, on the website it even showed like get more benefits from using your app. I really like the app, and this is actually where I found it. But you can see there's exclusive, there's new user zone, coupon packs, and there's all sorts of deals. Again, it seems like it's the China kind of brands, but I know like the soccer outfits and the soccer shirts, like to get one of those for $13 is a good price compared to anywhere else online. They're usually like $50. So I'll just show you real quick the app real quick. There's different categories that you can go to. I'm not going to bore you with going and clicking through everything. There's deals. And then when you use this stuff and you refer other people, you can get coupons to get stuff off, but there's always like a special they're trying to run. And from being in the industry, what I've learned is a lot of times you'll get products really cheap because they're just trying to get a good rating, and they actually lose money a lot of times to get their reviews started and to get their product known out there. There's also some stores that they'll advertise. And then if you want to look into my account, I haven't bought anything lately. DHM membership, like again, you can get a membership based on referrals, and based on the number of times you purchase, you get like these benefits. So like ways to level up, buy. For every purchase you made, you will increase your loyalty score. And then there's benefits of different levels. You can see the benefits. And then there's different coupons, reminders, rewards that you can level up to. You can see the My Messages and orders. It's a little bit different app than normal. Anyway, this is DHgate. I really like it. It takes a little bit more time to get your product. If you're interested in it, check the description. On to the next deals website. Getting to the top 3, it's a little bit exciting, is Groupon. That's my number 3 store that I like to shop on. I've gotten things over the years on Groupon a lot of times. I'm honestly not sure where Groupon ships from. I believe it's probably a little bit of everywhere, because I've gotten things that taken a long time to get here and some things that get here really quick. To save time, I typed in wireless earbuds, and this is what I've come up with in terms of purchases. One thing I want to point out for Groupon is there's this student section if you have a student in the house, and that they offer for a limited time extra 25% off. And I actually used that for my daughter, and I can't remember exactly what it was for, but I know I used it for stuff. But I use Groupon all the time, and like I said, I usually show you stuff that I use, but I just bought all my nieces these sling over the shoulder pocketbooks, and I just like them, and I just buy some other stuff. I have Sky Zone tickets to take my son's birthday party to them, but you get like such a discount by going through Groupon. If you ever go do anything, look at Groupon first. And if you looked at my other video on the cashback, my Samsung Pay app on my phone offers 10% back on all my Groupon purchases. So you stack those and you get extra money back. So the Samsung thing has been a great surprise that I've found recently. Okay, on to number 2 and number 1. Number 2 on my list is Alibaba. Alibaba? I don't know. It is an importer from China. It's all the companies from China. But what do you get when you order products from China? 2 things. A really cheap price and a really long shipment, usually. Not all the time, but some of them say they're a little bit faster. I think what they're trying to do now is get some factory stores or not factory stores, warehouse stores in the United States so they can ship out. I've used both of these sites, or this site as well. I've shipped and bought, and the time is a little longer. The products are decent. I'm assuming this was a knockoff. I didn't order directly from Alibaba, but these are knockoffs, and that's, what you're seeing in my picture is what you're seeing on my screen as well. So these are great sounding. I put it in little tiny scratchy, but I mean, great quality stereo sound effect. Now, I think, there might be some like little innuendos because they aren't the brand. Like, you can only hear like a phone call from one ear or something like that. But anyway, generally, if you want a product and you're not into the name of the product, like Apple, these products will do, and they'll save you a lot of money. Next, my number 1 site is very similar to my number 2 site. But number 2, the prices you can't beat. Number 1, dun dun dun, Aliexpress. It's very similar to Alibaba. I find Aliexpress is a tiny bit faster. The products, like I said, number 1 and 2 are so similar. I feel like there's a little bit more product availability with Aliexpress, and that probably shouldn't be the case because Alibaba I actually use to find when I was making products. I find people to make my product on Alibaba more than ordering products, but you can customize and you can do various things, I think, with Aliexpress. I'm going to try to do that actually, but if you're interested in these wireless earbuds, I actually might try the service of, if I can find it, customizing earbuds and having those ordered too, so I have a Home Business Expert earbud. But like I said, if you're interested in getting these while supplies last, I only have 10, and I'll get them to you eventually. You need to send proof to me, like a screenshot that you signed up, or I'll see it in my back office. Tell me what your username, something where I'm going to know that it was you that signed up, but I'll be able to see who signed up somewhat. Like, give me the date, your name, that kind of thing. Send me an email. I'll put my email at the end of this video. I'm not going to put it in the description, but once we do that, and I will get your address, and I'll send you a pair of wireless earbuds. So thanks for watching. In the meantime, I am working on my new website. It's called amyhunt.biz. Check it out. All kinds of information. Bear with me. Please be patient. I'm not like an expert website builder, but I'm trying to get you information that you can access quickly. And thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment below to let me know that you signed up, and I'll send you a pair of these. Thanks for watching. Okay, in summary, to show you what I feel like Home Business Expert, the best cashback websites. Number 1 is Aliexpress. The downside is it takes a little longer to get the stuff. Number 2, Alibaba. Number 3, Groupon. Number 4, DHgate, which a lot of these, or most of these, are not only websites, but they're apps as well. Overstock, Lettopia, DealWiki, and finally Deal Sniffer. Hopefully this helps you save money on your shopping and your gift purchasing. Thanks for watching Home Business Expert. You can find more on my website called amyhunt.biz. If you like my videos, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, there you go. There's my circle in the middle with my subscribe button. And if you want notifications, just click the notification button to get notified of the upcoming videos and my most recent videos. If you have any questions or comments, please just leave your question or comment below and I'll get to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you for watching Amy Hunt, Home Business Expert.